So I am cleaning out underneath my sink, and I realized I've had this organizer for a year now, and I thought I would go over it and show you how it's holding up a year later. I absolutely love this thing. We've had a bunch of under the sink organizers over time, and this one has held up the best. And I kind of want to go over why I love it so much, so you guys can decide if maybe it's the right one for you. Now, this is a 2-pack. The other one is under my husband's sink, and that one, he's responsible for cleaning out under his sink. So scary places. But so it is adjustable in height. I'm going to pull this out a little bit. So when you're setting it up, okay, so when you're building this, right, when you're putting it together, you can decide on the height. So here, when you're setting it up, there's 4 different heights that you can set it up as, which is really nice because there's plumbing you can avoid. You know, you can set it to the height you want. And as you can see, mine just barely fits over my plumbing. Right there. Okay. The other nice thing is the top pulls out and it stops. There's a stopper right there. I don't know if you can see that. That stops it from coming out any further. It comes with this nice little piece here that goes in the bottom. Each one, right? Okay, so this bottom will show you how the stoppers work. So there's stoppers there, so it stops it from going any further this way. And then the other ones in the back stop it from being pushed back any further. So that's your drawer. There's little suction cups here on the bottom. The bottom of my shelf was so dusty that they didn't really work that well for me, but you can absolutely make them work for you. I didn't really need them. Again, this little shelf liner goes in. So if you have stuff that you're worried about falling through, and you can load these up pretty well, pretty heavy. So let me put some stuff back in here. Okay, so this top one, got a bunch of stuff in there, still slides really nice and smooth. Bottom one, really heavy with the stuff in here, and it's not full, and it's still sliding really nice and easy. So if you're thinking about getting this, I hope this has helped. We really love them. Both my husband and I have been really happy with it. Just the fact that the top pulls out and that the height was adjustable, so it worked out with our plumbing. And the fact that it's this side, like it also helps, to avoid plumbing this way. So if you had a bigger space underneath, you could have the other one on the other side. But anyway, I hope this has been helpful.